Hello and welcome. This is Mudasir Afraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will make stairs. Okay, so let's get started. I will just create a layer for stair first. Okay, I will go here in layer panel. Okay, and from here I will create new layer. I will click on this one and I will write here stairs. What stairs? Okay, now I will just give here a color of for example this one. Okay, and I will select OK. Now I want to just go here and I want to just see what is the size of stair here. Okay, so the width of the stair is 1200 millimeter and the tread width is 300 millimeter. You can see this is the tread. Okay, now the landing width is 1200 millimeter by 1200 millimeter. Okay, so I have to put all of the things here. I will just go here in AutoCAD. I will make this layer as a current layer. Okay, stair, and I will make a offset of O inter 1200 millimeter from this point to this point. Okay, now what I will do, I will select this one and I will make this as stair. Okay, now from this point to this point, this is again 450 millimeter. Okay, so O inter 450 millimeter. Okay, and then I will just give this point. So our stair is starting from this point. Okay, I can use one more command, that is match. So for match, ma enter. Okay, so I will select this one. I can select to match this one. Okay, now this is under stair layer. Okay, now I want to just trim all unnecessary lines. Okay, this one and this one as well. Now I can create a tread here. Okay, first what I want here is I want to just give a landing width as well. So landing width here is what, 1200 by 1200. Okay, so what I will do, I will just go here, O enter 1200 enter. Okay, so I will just give a offset here 1200 millimeter and I will extend this one, and again I will use match command. Okay, match ma. Okay, I will select this one and I will select this one. Now I just want to make tread. O enter, what is the size of tread? So let me check it. The size of the tread is 300 millimeter. Okay, so O enter 300 enter. Okay, now I want to make tread 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, now I just want to make a tread on this direction, so I will just give a command O enter 300 again. Okay, and then I will give this point, then this 1 2 and 3. Okay, now you can see this tread is going to just outside of the wall. Okay, so that is why, because I have just changed the door location. As you can see here, the door location here is this one and I have just created on this location. Okay, so let's just make this one as from this one, okay, to this point, okay, to this point. So I want to just match this one. I will select this one and this one, and I will delete this one and this one as well. I will delete one. Okay, this is the double wall here. Okay, as I am just adjusting this stair here. Okay, I will just extend this from here to this point and I will trim all unnecessary lines from here. Okay, I will trim these ones. Okay, now our stairs are going to adjust here. Okay, you can see these are the treads. Okay, this is the landing and we can just check the width. Okay, you can see this is 1200 by 1200. Okay, and what is the tread width? So tread is 300 millimeter. So this is how we can just create the stair as well. Okay, in next tutorial we will just write text here. We will show that this is toilet, for example, this is opening, TV lounge and room, etc etc. Okay, so I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next.